Katie Woo. Goodbye to Goldie by Fran Manushkin. Illustrated by Tammy Lyon. Chapter 1. A Great Dog. Katie Woo's dog, Goldie, was very old. One day, Goldie became very sick. A week later, she died. Katie's mom held Katie while she cried.
"I will miss Goldie so much,"
Katie cried.
"She was my best friend."
Katie's friend Jojo hugged her.
"I will miss Goldie too," said Jojo. "She was the nicest dog in the world." "She was," agreed Pedro. "Goldie loved running on the beach," said Pedro. "We didn't have to go into the sea to get wet," said Jojo. "Goldie would just shake her fur and make us all wet." "Goldie was great in the snow, too," said Pedro. "We used to toss snowballs, and she would try to catch them in her mouth."
Chapter 2. A Wagging Tail.
"Tell me some more happy stories about Goldie," said Katie.
Jojo grinned.
"That's easy. There are so many." "At Thanksgiving, Goldie ate my drumstick," Jojo said. "I turned around and it was gone." "Goldie was smart," said Katie, "and fast." "Goldie was so much fun on Halloween," said Katie. "Remember the time she wore a skunk costume? She ran around and scared all the other dogs." "Goldie loved tickling my face with her tail," said Jojo.
"She dusted the table with it, too," joked Katie's mom. "And my computer," added Katie's dad.
"Her tail hardly ever stopped wagging," said Katie. "Goldie and I were both scared of thunder," said Katie. "But when we hugged, we both felt better."
"Goldie was a good cuddler," agreed Katie's mom. Katie's dad showed her a photo. It was taken when she and Goldie were little. They were eating hot dogs together.
"This photo is great," Katie said. "I love looking at it."
Chapter 3. The Scrapbook. Jojo had an idea.
"We should make Katie a Goldie scrapbook. She can look at it whenever she feels sad."
Katie's mom found 2 photos of Goldie and Katie. In one, they were playing catch with a ball. In the other, they were both very small. They were taking a nap on the grass. Katie drew a picture of Goldie catching popcorn in her mouth.
"She was good at that," Katie said, smiling. "She never missed." "Goldie could jump rope, too," said Jojo, "and kick a soccer ball." "And almost catch squirrels," added Pedro.
"Goldie lived a long and happy life," said Katie's mom.
"She sure did," said Katie.
That night at bedtime, Katie held Goldie's picture and kissed it goodnight.
"Goldie, I will always remember you," Katie promised.
And she always did.